And now for comment of the video. This comment of the video goes to Key Beauty, and she says, "It's okay to cry. I've been watching your whole journey, and you are amazing and beautiful. You got this. I had my VSG March 4th, 2021, and I also gained weight back. I've been at a stall for months. I started taking Phentermine and dance fitness for an hour, 3 days out of the week, and I've lost 13 pounds in 8 days. We got this. I support you on your journey. Thank you so much for supporting me. Yes, it is okay to cry. It's taken a long time for me to understand this, that emotions are okay, they're normal. That's all been a part of the process, and I've said that in my video yesterday, that I'm so thankful for the choice or the chance that I've been given to really explore myself and understand myself better throughout my post-operative life. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for your comment. If you would like to have your comment read as comment of the video, all you have to do is drop a comment in the comment section down below. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.
Keto.
It is keto.
Yeah, I can taste the keto.
Hey y'all, so this clip will get added somewhere into my vlog for the first. I am headed out to do grocery shopping so that I can meal prep for the week. You guys know that I do weekly meal prep. I'm kind of nervous, just being honest, about getting out here and making it happen again. Oh, there's a nice lady out here getting it around the neighborhood. She got a little suit on. She look cute. So I'm going to go to Sam's, Walmart, and Kroger, possibly Aldi, because I look for the best deals that I can when I'm meal prepping and buying food, because I get a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables and things, and inflation has made groceries so high that yeah. But anyways, I am headed to the store. I don't know if I'm gonna pop in and show you guys while I'm at the store, or if I'm going to just show you when I get back home. Either way, you guys will see in my vlog tomorrow what I'm buying for meal prepping. I'm not gonna do a meal prepping segment in this particular vlog series because it's very time consuming, and these videos are meant to be kind of short and sweet, a check-in on my day. All right, I'll see you guys either in a minute or later on when I haul. It's just me back again. It's Sunday. It's not Monday just yet, but I told you guys I was going to show you my grocery haul.
I absolutely.
Yes, that's me playing in the background, because whenever I post a video, I go and watch the video to ensure that I don't hang on, because I'm competing with me to talk. Hang on.
To get to where I am.
I watch my video to make sure that there's no issues. But yeah, I'm doing some laundry, and I almost forgot to show you guys what I got, so I'm gonna have to kind of gather it and show you guys inside the refrigerator. But nonetheless, we're gonna do it. Hang on, I'll be right back. Yes, I color code my laundry, and of course this thing right here, excuse me ma'am, wants to sit on my clean clothes. Excuse me, Peach. Ma'am. She's becoming the star of my vlogs. But yeah, I watch my video. Y'all don't look at this. Only look at the TV. Nothing else. Just only look at the TV. But yeah. So I'm gonna go in the kitchen and show you guys what I've got, and yeah, we'll discuss. I kind of have some of the stuff laying out right now. I love mini cucumbers, and I was getting the ones from Sam's, but I was determined to not go to Sam's today, because Sam's always cost me so much money. So I found these little mini cucumbers at Kroger, so I got those. I'm going to be making a Fathead dough bagel for my breakfast. So I got a big bag of mozzarella cheese, some black beans, some cashew halves. These aren't for me, but I am going to make a pesto, so I'll be using a little bit of those. Some pickles. I'm making lasagna tonight because I'm not starting my keto until tomorrow, so I'll be having a slice of lasagna. I got some avocados, some onions. This is the basil for my pesto. Sweet potatoes for the guys during the week because they're not keto. It's just me. So to be able to supplement what I'm going to be cooking, I've got to, you know, have something for them. So I told you guys I like coffee, and I've been doing coffee. Like, I have my little coffee bar here. Yes, those are dirty dishes. My coffee bar here, and these are my Nespresso pods. So I'll do an espresso every day. And so to make sure that, yeah, if you're hearing the toilet flush, it's because people are flushing the toilet. God, this is just so ghetto. I'm a good person, I promise. Okay, so, and I have these sugar-free syrups. This one isn't caramel pecan anymore. I've got to change it. It is actually this chocolate caramel truffle. So these are keto friendly. They're 0 sugar, 0 carbs, like 0 anything, and they make my coffee so good. So to keep it keto friendly, I did get some heavy whipping cream. I already had some in here, and I have some sugar-free heavy whipped like spray whipped cream. I've already cut it up, but I'm going to be doing some kind of salad every day this week. And like I told you guys, I literally eat this stuff as like chips. That looks, I don't like the way that looks. But I cut this up and I have it in a bowl just ready. And so I'll have that. I've got some cilantro up there, and I'm going to go back to the basics. Brought out the good old cottage cheese. I grabbed some of that today. I've got some spinach in here, some celery. I have some pre-cooked bacon. I have a little bit left. I'm gonna like heat that up to go on my bagels. I have some sharp cheddar cheese and some Colby Jack cheese. I got some cream cheese for my bagels because they are going to be everything bagel because I have the everything seasoning. And then I have some pepperonis. And then what else? Oh, this is for hamburgers later on this week. Kroger had a special. These were $3.99 a pack, and it's some really lean Angus beef, 90-10. $3.99 for this is really good. And then I have a steak that I'm going to grill because I'm going to have a grilled steak salad and a shrimp and something I'm going to make because I actually have that in my refrigerator, and I wanted to use what I had. I got some lactose-free milk for the guys. What else? I think that's about it. I didn't do just like too much because I know that I'm going to be, you know, calming it down as far as food goes. I do have these from Bariatric Cow, and they've been in here for a while. These are 0 carb cinnamon bagels, so I may try one of these one day. I don't know, but I forgot, and I just thought about those. So Bariatric Cow sent those to me a couple of months ago, and I've had them in the freezer until I got ready to use them. But yeah, I just wanted to follow up with you guys and show you guys what I got. It's not much, but like I said, I eat cucumbers every day. These are my absolute favorite. They're a little more gummy. Let's see if it'll focus. There you go. It's a little more gummy in the center than the ones from Sam's, which is kind of what it worries me about, like meal prep. But nonetheless, they here now. They gonna get eaten. You gonna get eaten. So, anyways, I'll see you guys in the morning when we get up and get ready to go to the gym. All right, bye. So I know that I said I would follow up with y'all tomorrow, but I wanted to show y'all this. So I found a recipe online for Fathead bagels. I had never tried making them before. I've made the Fathead pizza dough. Are you kidding me? Why would you do that in the middle of my video? I can't edit that out.
Oh, but nobody here.
I can guarantee you. Hang on. So this is an everything bagel. So I'm excited. I made a little one for me to try. So I'm going to try that with y'all. It's got to be in my face.
Let me get a piece. I can get a big piece.
Can you just try this? It's not for you. You like it?
Hot.
Well, yeah, it's just out the oven. Well, he liked it, so I guess that's all that matters.
It's alright. As you get the chewing through it, it must be the keto.
It is keto.
Yeah, I can taste the keto ingredients. It's like a sponge.
Luckily, he doesn't have to eat it.
Thank you.
But for all intents and purposes, it's real good.
What you gonna eat it with?
Avocado and bacon. What do you think I'm gonna eat it with?
Yeah, garlic on it. Might need to tone the garlic down.
It's an everything bagel, and it has like garlic, onion.
It's a little, like the garlic made it kind of a little salty.
It's perfect for me. I love it.
I need something to add to it.
Well, you know, luckily.
Jelly or something.
Luckily.
I ain't gotta eat it.
You don't have to eat these. These are for me. Well, anyways, I just wanted to come and show you guys. They turned out really good. They have a really good texture. For them to not be bread at all, I'm definitely with it. Bye, y'all. Good morning, y'all. It is 5:30. And I am headed out to walk my neighborhood. I'm going to be going to the gym on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Sorry, y'all. So on the days that I don't go to the gym, I am going to be walking my neighborhood. So, yeah. Sorry, it's really dark out here. I'm not gonna lie, I got on the scale this morning just to like, okay, so this is the fresh number. The scale said 228. I don't know what's going on. I'm not gonna let that discourage me. It's gotta be some kind of water or whatever, but I'm just gonna base my scale at 225. Because I'm very discouraged by that. But anyways, this is me. I'm out walking. It's going to be about 30 to 45 minutes of walking. Yeah. Hope you guys are enjoying your Monday. And I will see you later on for the video. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am done with my walk. And I am so sweaty. We haven't had any rain here in Alabama, I feel like, all summer long. And it rained yesterday and I think last night. Ooh, child. It's hot out here. It's hot as hell. At least I got my sweat on. Alright, I will check in with you guys a little bit later. Y'all enjoy your morning. See you soon. Just checking in. It is the end of the day, and yeah, I did pretty good. I stayed on track. I'm not gonna lie, the stress at my job has me craving something sweet like a MFer. I'm craving something sweet so bad, but I'm gonna fight that urge. I've done pretty good on my water today. I didn't meet my water goal, but I am going to continue to drink water throughout the evening and just be really cognizant of my choices and of, what I'm eating for dinner. It will be a keto meal, or, whatever I can eat. But it is keto, so that much. So, this ends day one. I'm very happy about, the progress today. I walked, I stayed within my carb macros. I am feeling kind of sluggish, but I just chalk that up to, eating less things that are carb deficient. So of course you're gonna have that weird dragginess. I am, however, I think I may need to take another laxative. Make sure I get everything moving good. But anyways, if you like this video and you want to join me on my journey to 199 pounds, hit that subscribe button, become a member of my family. I would love to have you here. Also, if you haven't and you would like to, head on over to Facebook one day, one step in the right direction, we made it. Oh, by the way, so I was thinking, would you guys be interested in merch? Would you guys be interested in some merchandise that's bariatric patient related, but of course would be relevant to my channel and, you know, to the content that I put out? If you are interested in that, drop a t-shirt emoji in the comment section down below and leave a comment on what you would like to see on merchandise, something that I've said, or maybe, you know, something that I've given to you that you've taken along your journey that, you know, is important to you. I would like to know what you guys find inspiring. You know, I have some ideas, but I also want to get some feedback from you guys. All right, so I will see you